In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Fox News app. By updating Fox News app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this news app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with Fox News app. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the latest version of Fox News app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead, look for Play Store. And from here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail, and you should see a search bar here. Or if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on this, and then just search your app by name. So I'll search for Fox News, and then comment the search here. And as you can see, I have the app. However, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Fox News daily breaking news app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Fox News app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here to start using the latest version of Fox News digital mobile app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.